Ew. Rusty fucking shit. Hi people, welcome back to this channel, and today I'm gonna show you how I changed my oil on my red Audi 80. So let's take a look at what I have. So I bought some stuff. I got some wrenches, that's nothing. I got some brake cleaners. I got some boxes for the oil, and I'm gonna use the liquid moly W40 with Moss 2. That's graphite, and I got my filter from Filtron. I got a new screw for the oil pan, and some new washers, some new copper washers for the screw. And so yes, let's start. Let's go. Firstly, I'm gonna lift up the car, put the wheels on the wheels, so we have some clearance, like maybe 40 centimeters from the ground, so I can get under the front. And yeah, let's do it. Hi people, welcome back to this channel. It's another episode, it's the garage, and today we have something else. We are not doing the Audi, but in fact we are doing Szczepo's Golf. I wasn't recording this, but in the past days we pulled the Golf in the garage, so the Golf is inside the garage, and for the next months we're gonna repair the Golf. We're gonna do a major service like head gasket and oil change and brake change and suspension, and remove the AC compressor and the whole AC, like complete. So Szczepo's already started, and I can show you. So Szczepo right here, he's already removing the headlights, and what we're gonna do today is just remove this front part of the car, so we have more space. And
so we could do this. We don't need to say much in English. I mean, we are not bored English. So I was like, I'm gonna need to find this. I was like, oh, this fits. This fits. I was, what the fuck? Why it's so loose? And I was like,
yeah,
I mean, it was loose.
So
yeah,
we're removing the front, so we have space, so we can remove the AC compressor and the AC line, the route back over there to the interior, and remove the AC radiator and all of that. We're gonna drain the coolant, remove the coolant radiator, the hoses, and also we're doing the clutch on this thing.
Brakes,
suspension. Shit, I don't know.
I want to clean it.
Yeah, clean the engine bay. It's dirty as fuck.
Yeah.
And the coolant reservoir also.
Yeah, I want to, because
oh fuck, it's cracked.
It's not cracked. I mean, it is leaking. But the coolant is like orange juice.
Yeah, it's rusty.
Orange juice. Yeah, literally. And there are also some. We like orange juice in your cold water. No, what the fuck? In your radiator. Yeah.
So we're doing the radiator and coolant flush. We're gonna flush the radiator and fill the new coolant inside the radiator, so it's clean and it doesn't get rusty over time.
And also it will be better for the engine to have some nice coolant.
Yeah.
Not some
fresh coolant.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. We will be when we remove the front.
Yeah, because I know we are not.
Now we are not.
This is my first time actually doing some this shit.
Yeah, Szczepo hasn't been doing much engine work and working on cars because there was zero space, and yeah.
So this is my first time, this premiere, do any work on the engine. I mean, I removed the airbox and air intake manifold. Not manifold, but yeah,
Manifold.
intake manifold. Yeah. And with this car, it was full of oil, and it's like mushy and it's gross. And that was breathing. I mean, it looks good, but what the fuck, man? What the fuck engine? What the fuck Volkswagen?
Yeah, breathing oil is not healthy for the engine. And by the way, if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing, cause we're not doing this for money, we're doing this for fun. Maska, yeah, consider subscribing and like the video, comment, and we're gonna go back to work.
Wow, Eli, you're doing great.
Co cię jebe? Kurwa! To kurwa jedna śruba, more rdzała jak koko.
Dziwna. Ponamiakało z jakiego bulldozera, wiesz, a chciał najebał teraz tak, żeby było, wiesz.
Dyk pasuje.
Rano,
Bartaćko!
nawet rano się robi.
Hello. Co idziemy? Dole to drży. Jedną śrubę, którą ja odkróci do pici. Ty, kokot. Co to idzie? Proszę preta, cześć. Nic. Nie było. Mój temat.
So, the front Sahara, whole front is out. It's over there, in front of garage. Now, the next thing is to remove this
Housing.
klima compressor,
Yeah.
AC compressor. Cut the tubes, aluminum tubes.
So yeah, we have a lot of work to do.
What's the work to do?
Don't have the right.
We don't have the correct tools, but
We have everything.
we have these pliers, so it's all good. Look at this water, by the way. Nice.
It's orange, like
Rusty fucking shit. It looks like soup.
Yes.
Car soup.
car soup.
Car soup.
Car soup. That's, I mean,
Polievka jest golfa, one. No ty ci keď idzie nažrať, vieš. Fazuľová.
krúci sa vnútri, chuj, vyjebaný. Ty kokot.
Žiadne do pič. Zlé, jebe ti.
Dobre,
Dobre,
som.
Tam, presne.
Ty kokot.
Šviňo z kurvetov. Dávaj, hej.
Odrehem karbrusku.
Very nice.
If you can't do the right screw, you need to.
Undo two screws.
Yes.
For the one screw, you have to undo two screws. That's the boy.
And then. Ty dva špalíky, pičo. Dúfam, že to je imbus.
Je to imbus.
Piču matku vyjebanú. To je kokot toho inžiniera. Nemci vyjebaní. Pojebaní. So we have successfully undone this part, and it's the main part for the klima. And we just yoink, make it out.
And it's out.
I mean, not the best way to undo it, but I fucking
But
don't
it's
care.
our way, so it's good way. It's the correct way because
Because I don't care.
because you don't care about. Basically, why we're disconnecting the AC lines and unscrewing this AC compressor is for this car is meant for. It's okay, mountain driving. Szczepo is gonna drive this beast like fucking crazy, and the AC compressor is just taking some horsepower, so and some weight, so that's why we're uninstalling it, and the lines also. And it's, I think, more tidy in the engine bay, just not to have the AC lines and things everywhere. Yeah, and also the AC doesn't work, so
It works, but you should refill it.
refill
Refill it. Yeah.
refill the AC, yes, with of Freon and
I fucking broke it off. This little plastics in almost 30 years old car. You just spray it on and it slams it away. Fucking hell. What the fuck is this? Oh, that's the I don't know what the fuck is it.
This is the AC pressure sensor, and yeah, by the looks of it, I don't think we're using this. Look at it. It's the pieces.
Yeah. And this is for the. I think it's for the.
We'll figure it out
Yeah, then we will.
later down the line.
Yeah. So I am going to disconnect this. I'm not that strong actually. So. Finally. Next one is. You can see in what condition this car is. Yeah. This is oil. We like oil
But in the engine, not outside.
and not in the water.
Not in the water.
In the cooling system. I can do it. Lovely water. That's the color you want to see.
Or maybe you don't.
Well, the big players. We don't have the right tools, but we have the right minds. Ew. So the next one is underneath. Dobre. Piči, ten olej filter veľmi.
Kde? Hej, chtěl to odkrutil.
Že mi zapáčia.
No dej more. Motor mi zavádza, to odjebem, no do piči. Na čo?
Pusti.
Že?
Tak, to si necháme. Ešte nie dole. Dá, tak. Ešte dole ideme. Piča. Dve sú dole.
Dve?
Kurva, aj na druhej strane, tu. So, this is the last bolt out of
45,000.
5 bolts. Bigly.
Bigly.
Oh, fuck.
Come on, one more time. Oh. Finally,
My child, if you want someone
AC compressor.
AC compressor for Volkswagen Golf 1997, you go away. You will go for sale for free. So the next thing, I mean, that's all I wanted to do for today.
Yeah, I think we're finished.
For today, we
For
finished.
today, yes.
I will probably just bolt alternator here, and I don't know what you will do with.
Nature will take care of it.
I mean,
Recycle to the ground.
it's just water with rust.
Yeah, and some oil and
Oil and rust.
and water and oil.
And this pipe crusty.
Rusty crust. So we finished for today, and we're gonna clean this shit up with the tools.
We'll go home.
We'll go home. Goodbye for now.
Bye bye. Oh, in my days.